This is my 2022 Dodge Challenger RT Plus, and right there, it's a 61mm turbo, but don't worry, it's not just one. It's two big air turbos.
That's not happening.
Many months later.
As you can see, I sold the turbos and I bought a Torqstorm Supercharger. Yeah, it took too long to do the turbos. I sold them bitches, girl. So I sold the twin turbos and I bought a Torqstorm Supercharger, as I said previously in the last clip. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm finna install a kill switch, new ambient lighting, new chairs, a new goddamn Hellcat speedometer, Hellcat fuel pump. I'm finna install everything. This is not an install video. I'm just giving y'all a quick rundown of everything I did to the car as the car is finna get supercharged with the Torqstorm. So you're gonna see little clips, blips, little conversation here and there. If you want to fast forward the video to where it actually starts with the you have to fast forward to I think like maybe 3 minutes. But as you can see, this is the whole little miniature process of me putting the kill switch in, new goddamn ambient lighting, new authentic leather seats, you feel me? What else I did? The Hellcat fuel pump was put in by Fireball Motorsports. Seats and everything interior was done by me. One thing I will say about the seats though, hey man, it get hot as a bitch with these goddamn seats. I did fuck this part up a little bit, but I shit back and I did fix it. My car is a mess. Still is a mess. I still ain't killing this nigga gay in the background. That's not me. I ain't do this. It's the nighttime POV of it, you feel me? I added the doors. I already had the headlights and already had the stars and everything, but I added the doors. You feel me? That's the only thing I really added. But it should look fire at night though. You feel me? Different startup, different everything. Yeah. Man, I'm finally gonna get my damn supercharger installed. So I just paid the invoice to get this supercharger installed, tuned. It is raining a little bit. Cause I came inside to get my damn slides. And the fucking started raining. I can't even find it. But they got dumbass cars out there. That's the last thing y'all gonna see it for like a week or two. They got dumbass cars out here. It's raining hard as hell. I'm gonna go back inside.
Just a little bit. We're building headers and shit for it right now.
You was gonna get a commercial with that, but I guess the motor's not taking them around.
Yeah, I mean, you know, you build a motor and shit on that thing. You can have some fun with those 5.7s there. Good.
Well, we're gonna do rods and pistons too.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Rods, pistons, cams.
Yeah. Then we can pull it up and make some more boost and shit.
Exactly. Man, I ain't even recording enough YouTube, but this shit right here. Man, this shit already taking gas on my pocket. I said gas, this bitch already taking money on my pocket. Shout out to goddamn 5 bars, you feel me? I ain't gonna tell y'all what it made on the dyno, but just know, we're 5 and above, goddamn. Ooh, This is my first day with this bitch, man, and this hoe is crazy. I'm telling you, like, from the bird balls to where I feel to where I run. So I'm talking about all that shit. Man, this hoe is pressure. Smoke tangerine on the inside, you feel me? It ain't orange, it ain't peanut butter, it ain't brown. Fuck niggas, smoke tangerine, you hear me? We go smoke tangerine, we go with the ambient light. I got a clean up detail, cause I just got to do that. But we go 200 on that dash. Don't mind the dash, I broke that bitch, but it's alright. We go saw lights, man, we go, and I gotta drive all the way to Atlanta Friday, 3 days from now. Today's Tuesday, cuz. But anyway, I'm gonna keep this video real nice, real short. Like I said, you feel me? I gotta be back. Y'all see, I got it back. Big eye blowout valve. Like, yeah. burn YouTube. This a whole separate day. We got Scotty. Y'all ain't seen this car in a minute. I can post it now. You feel me? We got a red black. I think he gonna do the rest of it. We gonna find out. Fat ass motherfucking Supercharger.
I was raised in a hellhole, but I seen it with a shock. Cat fast hill. Get a bitch stuff it. Bitch wanna slide like it's truck. Nigga, this that.
And I crippled my nigga.
I ain't got no hook, I just get in here and cook up. Brody in the county and he still ain't cook. Let's get to it. I spend bands on the fit and niggas plug on the outlet. I'm out of town getting from cheap, yeah, I'm out west. Niggas tacky with the weak ass. Call me daddy, ain't no pause yet. I get zombie out the drink, yeah, I'm slouching. I get in that moment, toss kick like karate. Hey, I can show you how to stretch the dope car. I call that pan for a body. The way I'm getting all this cheese, you thought I signed to Illuminati. Get these bows from Colorado, take a trip out to the rock. That nigga may be rocky. Hey, I ain't never played soft. Nigga thought I was crazy. I seen it with a shot. Cat fast hell. Rule number one, get a bitch, then you stop it. Trying to slide the skate with me like it's trumpet. Shout out to the jump, man. Nigga, that's that real shit. I ain't got no mean of that. Swear to God, I'll be. Hey. I ain't got no hook, I just get in here and cook up. Brody in the county, still in cook up. Mean of that. Feel like I'm sick of these that White House music. My Z say, do you gotta be a little true? Let's get to it. I spend bands on the fit, it ain't out yet. These niggas wanna be the plug. I'm out of town getting from cheap, yeah, I'm out west. Niggas tagging with weak ass outfits. This bitch tryna call me daddy, ain't no pops yet. I get zombie out the drink, yeah, I'm slouching. My white bitch don't want Jimmy Choo, she want Versace. I get in that moment, chops kick like karate. Hey, I can show you how to don't call the light. Give a nigga face, lip, I call that pan for a body. The way I'm getting all this cheese, you thought I signed to get these balls from Colorado, take a trip out to the rock. See, like the punch and slide, I call that nigga baby Rocky. Hey, bitch tryna kick it, but I ain't never played soft. Nigga thought I was a dog. I was raised in a hellhole, but I seen it with a shock. Cat fast hill, hit the corner, nigga. Get a bitch, then you stuff it. Bitch wanna slide and skate with me like it's truck fit. Shout out to the judge, man. Nigga, that's that one shit.
If I ain't got it and I really want it, I'ma take it.
Everybody slides the gas system too. I ain't even get a footage of there. But I got some footage of me sliding. You feel me? Hey, I gotta get used to it. You feel me? I have to break this shit, cause if I just do it how I normally do the last song, cuz it don't like, I feel like it loses boost or just stops. You feel me? But I'm gonna get the hang of that bitch though. Y'all can see it right there. With all my first song sliding. I got the hang of it a little bit. You feel me? I ain't gonna give it a sauce out, but I got the hang of it a little bit. We got the gas system right now. Chillin'. Give me my phone right here. Get my phone right there. That bitch Supercharged. Y'all don't know, cuz. This bitch is Supercharged. I'm super gonna show you. That's the granddaddy of a head case.